Mrs. Ferris with my friend Shrinking Violet. Did you want to say hi? Hi! And we're going to have stories today all about birds. Birds. I have a bird feeder right outside my kitchen window, and every morning when I'm fixing my breakfast, I look out and I see all kinds of birds coming to get the seed that's in there. So we're going to have stories about, well, birds who like seeds, I guess. This is called In the Snow. It's by Sharon Denslow with pictures by Nancy Teferi. And it's published by Greenwillow Books. Looks pretty snowy. And do you see what's on the tree stump? Let's turn the page and find out more. Someone's coming in the snow, for the seeds left high and low. Millet, thistle, corn dropped so. Here comes chickadee. Oh, there's another one. Sparrow. There's another one. Cardinal. Crow. Someone's coming in the snow. Those don't look like bird prints. Red squirrel, gray squirrel, climbing high and running low. Did the birds get scared off? No, they didn't. Someone's coming in the snow. Bunnies hopping soft and slow. Field mouse stops as shadows grow. Last to show in the night, in the snow. Old man possum, eyes aglow. Dark shape crunching seeds in snow. In the morning, in the snow, look who came and didn't go. Old man possum in the tree waits for more seeds brought by me. And that's just like at my house. Every morning they all come. Now we don't have the wild animals coming, although squirrels often will be down on the ground trying to catch any of the seeds that our birds drop from the bird feeder. And it's nice to feed the birds, especially in the wintertime when they can't get to the things that they like to eat. Do you think they'd like hot dogs? I don't think so, but we know that we like to do our hot dog rhyme, right? Can you put up your 5 fingers? I've got 5 little hot dogs, they're cooking in the pan. The grease got hot and one went bam. So 4 little hot dogs are cooking in the pan. The grease got hot and one went bam. Can you show me 3? 3 little hot dogs cooking in the pan. The grease got hot and one went bam. 2 little hot dogs are cooking in the pan. The grease got hot and one went bam. So that means 1 little hot dog is cooking in the pan. The grease got hot and the one went bam. So no little hot dogs are cooking in the pan. The grease got hot and the pan went bam. All right, Violet, can you get us another story? This one looks very interesting. Is that the one you wanted next? Okay, go ahead. This is called 10 on a Twig, and it's by Lo Cole. And this is such a new book, it isn't even in our collection yet. In fact, its book jacket hasn't even been attached. So you get a preview before it goes into the library. I see birds and lots of feathers. And this is published by Sourcebooks and Jabberwocky. What a fun word to say. Should we count and make sure they're all there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what do you notice about those birds? They're different colors, yeah, for sure. Did you also notice that they're different sizes? They start with the biggest, and as you go down the line, you wind up with the smallest. On a twig, just passing time. 1 falls off, and then there are 9. 9 on a twig, lined up straight. Snap, 1 topples over, and then there are 8. 8 on a twig, away from their nest. Snap, when another one goes, 7 are left. 7 on a twig, out in the sticks. Snap, one of them slips, whoops, and now there are 6. 6 on a twig with big open eyes. Snap, one of them blinks, and then there are 5. 5 on a twig. There used to be more. Snap! Don't say a word, because now there are 4. 4 on a twig up in the tree. Snap! One's had enough. And now there are 3. 3 on a twig with nothing to do. Snap! One takes a dive, and then there are 2. 2 on a twig, the day's almost done. Snap! One nods off, and then there is just 1. 1 on a twig, all on his own, but not for long. They found a new home. 10 in a nest, snuggled up tight. All that is left is to wish them good night. And that was kind of a fun story. I don't know if you noticed it as we were going along. As each bird fell off, and started to walk away with a stick or a twig in its beak. Each one had one. Each one added one. Each one helped build a little bit by a little bit, until when that last one went to find the rest of them, they'd use those twigs to make their nest. I like that story. I hope you did too. Well, can we, maybe we should shake our sillies. Although our next story is going to get you up and moving too, but let's give it a try. Can you shake, shake, shake your sillies out, shake, shake, shake your sillies out, shake, shake, shake your sillies out and wiggle your waggles away. And can you clap, clap, clap your crazies out, clap, clap, clap your crazies out, clap, clap, clap your crazies out and wiggle your waggles away. Now I'm going to stretch this way, but I'd like to see if you could stretch the up. Okay? Can you stretch, stretch, stretch your stretchies out, stretch, stretch, stretch your stretchies out, stretch, stretch, stretch your stretchies out and wiggle your waggles away. Can you stand up? All right, because you get to jump. Can you jump, jump, jump your jiggles out? Jump, jump, jump your jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump your jiggles out and wiggle your waggles away. Can you yawn? Yawn your sleepies out. Yawn. Yawn your sleepies out. Yawn. Yawn your sleepies out and wiggle your waggles away. Can you shake, shake, shake your sillies out? Shake, shake, shake your sillies out. Shake, shake, shake your sillies out and wiggle your waggles away. All right. Well, let's see. I promised we'd have one that's going to get you up and moving. This is a book by Lucy Cousins. You might know some of the other books she does because she does all of the books about Maisie the mouse. But this is called Hooray for Birds. Oh my goodness, look at them all. Can you imagine? Well, this is published by Candlewick Press. That's a very tall bird, isn't it? Can you imagine for just one day you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue, so wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Can you shout cock-a-doodle-doo like a rooster? Very good. Flap your wings, can you flap? And you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. And then hop, hop, hop. Can you hop? All right. And peck, peck, peck. That's a woodpecker. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Oh, stretch tall like a swan. Say, hello, darling. Hello, darling. And then swoop like a starling. You have your wings out. Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Can you do that? It's hard. Say cluck, cluck, and lay an egg? Bet you can't do that. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Oh, stretch your wings way out. Oh, doesn't it feel good? Then open your beak and sing. Tra-la-la, tweet, tweet, tweet. Mm-hmm-hmm, cheep, cheep, cheep. Everyone makes a different sound, don't they? Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail. Puff out your chest. Do you know what that is? That's a peacock. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day with a cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night. Toot, toot, hoo, hoo. And then, the birds in the back of the book look very different. They're all asleep. But I bet if they were awake, they would be jumping on their beds. Can you get your 5 fingers? I've got 5 little monkeys who are jumping on the bed. When one fell off, well, he bumped his head, and his mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So fold one down. So 4 little monkeys are jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head, so his mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So 3 little monkeys were jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head, so his mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So that leaves 2 little monkeys who were jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Well, his mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So that leaves 1 little monkey who was jumping on the bed. When she fell off, well, she bumped her head, and her mama called the doctor. The doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So there are no more monkeys to jump on our bed. And I have no more books to put in my hand, but we're going to have something fun on the flannel board. And we're going to need, let's see, a big, long branch. Does that look right up there? Yeah. Okay, can come down just a smidge. There we go. And on that branch, there are going to be 5 owls. Here comes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 5 hoot owls sitting in a tree. One flew away. How many do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hoot owls sitting in a tree. One flew away. So how many do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 hoot owls sitting in a tree. One flew away. How many do you see? Did you say 2? 1, 2. 2 hoot owls sitting in a tree. One flew away. How many do you see? I see 1. Just 1, yes. 1 hoot owl sitting in the tree. He flew away. How many do you see? Well, I don't know about you, but I don't see any, so I see none. No hoot owls until they fly on back. So here comes 1 back and 2 back and 3 and 4 and 1 more. 5. And there they are back on their branch. Well, Violet and I want to say thank you for joining us for our stories all about birds. And maybe when you're at home or if you're out for a walk, you can look for a window, through a window, or you can look along where you're walking and see if you can see any birds and maybe find out what kinds they are, because there are lots of beautiful birds around this area. And you can see them even better in the snow time. So, Violet, guess what? It's time for us to say bye, okay? Bye-bye. And we'll see you again next time. It's time for twos at Wood Library.